I am Angela Don Gonzalez, an Alpha Gamma Pi Futures Omega grantee. So, the reason why I applied for this financial grant is because gusto kong tulungan yung parents ko na mabawasan man lang yung iniisip nila financially. And syempre, since I'm away in Baguio, malaki talaga yung need gastusin. So, naisip ko kailangan ko rin ng funds for my daily expenses, sa pambayad ng dorm, and for me to buy the things that I need in order to survive here in Baguio. As an Omega grantee, malaki po talaga yung naitulong ng financial grant sa akin, but not just for me, but for my family as well, especially for my parents. Nung after po kasi ng pandemic, ang dami po naming na-experience ng hardships. Yung mom ko po nawalan po ng work, and yung dad ko na lang po talaga yung nagtatrabaho sa amin. And because of this, nahirapan po talaga kaming makabangon ulit until now. So, because of this financial grant, somehow, natutulungan ko po yung parents ko in the little ways that I can. Unang-una po, ako na po yung bahala sa expenses ko without asking money from my parents, and nakapagbayad din po ako ng dorm ko on time. And syempre nakababa din po ako sa province ko to be with my family kahit saglit. And with that little things, syempre nakikita ko pong masaya yung parents ko kasi kahit pa paano nabawasan po yung worries nila na baka wala po akong makuhang money, makuhang allowance. And with that, this is one of the biggest blessings that I received this year. And I hope that this project will continue to flourish, and sana mas marami pa po kayong matulungan in this kind of project. Kasi hindi nyo lang po napagaan yung buhay ko, pero ito po yung nagsilbing support sa akin na mag-survive sa Baguio all throughout. And with that, I hope na mas marami pa po talaga ang makakuha ng grant na to, and hopefully, I'll be able to give back kung ano man yung nakuha ko, and be able to make other people happy as well.